Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for another video, another great opportunity. So in this video guys, I'll be guiding you on how you can participate in this particular airdrop. If you are coming across to the channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel so that every time I drop video, you will easily get notification from YouTube, and also join my Telegram community where I post more updates. Now, subscribe and click on the link below in the description of this video. It's going to bring you down to my Telegram community. So when you are here on my Telegram community, you'll be able to see this particular post. We are going to be earning GPU points, and this airdrop is confirmed. Everybody who participates in this airdrop is going to receive a reward, and you can earn as much as possible. Airdrop can pay us up to 1,000, 5,000, depending on how you put an effort. So this particular drop is no exemption. Now click on this link and copy it. We are going straight to my browser. I'm going to be using Mrs. Browser to perform these tasks. The reason why I like using Mrs. Browser is an Web3 browser. It helps you to perform so many tasks on Web3. Now come over here where you have search or enter website URL, paste the link you recently copied from my Telegram. Open it. You are going to open the site. So this is how it looks like. This is how the interface looks like. Now we are going to be able to start this particular airdrop. First, we need to scroll down here where we have connect wallet. So you are going to be able to connect your wallet. Click on this. It's going to pop up all this. You can use any of the wallets. I have MetaMask here. And OK wallet. Okay, it's now automatically directing me to OK wallet. So what I did was I used the same account on my MetaMask or my OK wallet. So either I use OK wallet or I use MetaMask. So I can use OK wallet. It's still the same as I'm using my MetaMask. You know, some of this airdrop automatically accept OK wallet more than MetaMask. So but I use both of them. So anyone that works, I'm going to be able to use it. So I'm opening it. I'm working to click on this. It's taking time. So I can try turning my browser to desktop mode so I can easily activate. So since I turn it to desktop mode, so I will be able to claim. Now let me select OK wallet immediately. I have turned to desktop mode right now. So you see it's loading to connect. So over here, I will be able to put my password on Web3. So I haven't put my password. I will now unlock this. You see, I'm unlocking this. Now it's asking me to connect. I will go ahead connect. So OK wallet can be faster. So I will close that and connect the wallet again. Okay, the wallet is connected. I can now click on this to connect my X account. Okay, I will still need to check if the wallet really connects. Sometimes using mobile to do this always gives small issue. That's why I prefer using my system. But for the sake of this video, I am able to use mobile. So I'm checking if this is really connected. Okay, I couldn't get it right. With this view, I have to switch back to mobile view. So let me connect it again using mobile view. Okay, it has been connected. Now I will now sign in by clicking on sign in to confirm the connection. I have to try it over and over again. Since it's mobile I'm using, it gives some issues at times. Okay, let me approve it now. Okay, you see this has been added. This is the balance. I have 0 balance on the points. It has been added. So now approving it is going to sign in. It will now process. Okay, so I have to confirm right now. You can see it's confirming. After this process, it can now be easy for me to perform other tasks. Signature request, token.gpu.net. Now this is my own wallet, it's signing up. Okay, this just completed. Now the next step is to connect my X, which is Twitter account. So I will be able to connect it. So when you pass these steps, you can start performing other tasks that will help you to earn more points as much as possible. I'm going to authorize this. Okay, it's connecting my X. Now I have completed that particular task. If you check here now, I have 12 points. I haven't completed the task. Scrolling down, you will see more other information, how to do this. Now, this one is going to give me another point. By following this person, I will earn more points. So I'm just going straight to follow. Okay, now follow this person, go back. So there is a warning here, make sure you follow, don't cheat. So you have to close and verify, it's verifying. Now I earned 20 points, making me to have 32 points. So that is how you're going to be able to perform all the tasks. And you can see I have completed 2 tasks from this place. This next task is to follow this guy here. I'm going to follow this guy on X as well. Once it's open, I will follow and go back and verify. Okay, it's still loading. I just follow the guide. So I'm going back to close and verify. So guys, you can see I just completed 2 tasks now. I have 50 points. Scrolling down, you see more points you can do. I have done 3 tasks here. Remaining these more tasks I will do. You'll be able to get more points. Then after you do them, you come to this place again. This is another task you can do. If you click on enter, it will now bring you to the task. So you have to complete the same task here. If you complete the same task, you earn more points. So I'm going to go ahead and complete all these tasks, and you see total points I have. I have 50 already. Completing the points, you'll be able to gain as much as possible. Even on Discord. So here I can quickly join Discord. Once I join Discord, I will be able to earn the same points I've been earning. Accept. Okay, this is a welcoming note. I have accepted to join them as well. So what I will do now is to verify them. Okay, you see I earned that point. You can as well do all the tasks here. If you swap it by right, left, you'll be able to see more quests. You can see here, swap it, you will see more posts. Swap, these are more quests, social quests. You are going to do all this. Anyone you enter, you will be able to do tasks there. If you complete all the tasks, your points is going to increase, and you will be able to be among the top people using this particular app, and you can earn as many as you work for. Now, if you want to invite your friends, go ahead, use this place. This is how to invite your friend. You refer a friend and earn big. You earn 50 GXP Points every successful referral. So if you refer a friend, they will get this. Copy this, share it on social media, or give them this particular code. With this, they can join you. If your friends use it, they will join you. You see now, I have this. I can earn. I will earn from these ones and others here. Then scroll down, complete this particular quest. Once I complete everything, my points will keep on increasing. So with these guys, you'll be able to earn more points. Once airdrop start going to TG, you will position yourself and earn enough money. You can earn up to $200, $300, $500, depending on your effort in this particular project. Remember to check in every day to earn as much as possible. If you have any question, please drop your comment at the comment section. I will be glad to attend to you. Or follow the official pages of this project. You'll be able to earn more.